say so dance. I don't, it's just embarrassing. Good, well, it's afternoon now. Happy Monday. We went to F45 this morning and I felt so ill. I threw up in my mouth, so that's good. Fucking nasty. Ill because I already felt kind of nauseous and then I don't know, like I'm just out of shape. And then we went to the office for a little bit to support Shirin today because we had a lot of orders. We restocked the turtlenecks, we restocked the crew necks. So we went into the office. And now we both haven't showered after the workout because we just went straight from the gym to the office and like I'm smelly. And now I have to do like a fitting and it's like someone's having to be really close to me and I'm like, I am smelly. So we're at a Namesake. People said that I need to explain things more. We're at a Namesake, which is a custom leather. She does leather jackets, she does men's leather jackets, she does leather pants, and I got these custom leather pants made, and I just need to get them taken in a little bit because they're a little bit big in the waist. So we're doing that, and then we're going home. Greasy do I look? Not as greasy as me, honestly. Your hair looks wet. Well, yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So we're just gonna like love the leg.
I like this good. I think that because I
You're
wore
wearing
like
a shoe.
yeah, like I'm definitely wear the sneaker, but I think with a boot too, like. Do you lift? Lift, bro. So, what did you just do? I signed up at Good Life because I need a new gym. Okay, thanks for the update. I'm getting a salad from Freshie. And then we're gonna go home and do emails and show you the rest of the organization that Shelly did because she did a fucking great job. What you saw in that time-lapse clip was what I did all day. We're at the office all day, we had a meeting. That's pretty much it. Look how organized my vitamin cabinet is. Now, I'm actually gonna go get a pedicure because I have some time. I'm taking these Eucora probiotics today. I am going to get a pedicure because I haven't gotten one in like, I don't know, 2 months. And they had an opening. And that's really all I got for you today. It wasn't a very exciting day. It was very, not chill, but like, it's just one of those, it was just a work day, you know, where I'm sitting at the office, so. Not that exciting. I'll take you one of Her Majesty's pleasure. And, oh, I got some exciting things for my place too. I got these new pulls. So they're gold, so I'm gonna replace all of the silver ones. And then I really have to get my place done by like next week. So it's like a mad dash. Oh, I have a pill stuck in my throat. It's a mad dash because I actually have a photo shoot here and my place isn't done. So sick. Happy Wednesday. I didn't vlog yesterday because it's Thursday. Happy Thursday. I didn't vlog yesterday on Wednesday because I took a mental health day. Sometimes you just need a good mental health day. I was not feeling super good. I was struggling a little bit. I sat on the couch and just did emails. And like, you don't really want to see me when I'm down. Although some people are gonna say that they do, but every time I vlog when I'm feeling down, people aren't into it. Got some chill work done. And then we're back at it today. We went to Jenny Bird this morning, as you saw or are going to see, depending on how Steven edits the vlog. Right now I'm in my closet. Oh, I'm trying to get these boots off. Oh, so we went to Jenny Bird this morning, got some jewelry. I love Jenny Bird jewelry. Like out of breath. Yesterday, during my mental health day, I had someone come in and change all the lights in my place. We have this beautiful one. The light bulb in here is too dim. I'm gonna have to get a different wattage, but love that. This is from V2V. This one, thank God I changed this light. This light was so ugly. And it's so bright and white in here now. It's beautiful. Also from V2V. Oh, I love it. Glass things are so pretty. And then the third one, look at the difference of filming in this light. It's like a white light now, not like super yellow, which was so disgusting. For a dining room. Beautiful. Also from V2V. V2V's a store in Ossington. So I'm just gonna go over some emails and then we're taking some photos because it's actually sunny in Toronto today, which is nice. I think that's the only, oh, next thing I actually did. I changed all the hardware on my cabinets because I feel like it just makes it look nicer and not so like standard condo-y. And this is a super easy, quick fix that you can do. 15 cabinets. And I think I paid $80 for all of those. And like you just drill them in. It was super easy, and I think it makes a huge difference in the kitchen. Beautiful. I got them on Amazon. I'll link them down below. So yeah, we're gonna do some emails and then take some photos. These are redone and they're size 23, but I don't know if these are just too similar to my Goldie ones that I have. They are. They're really nice. They're really nice though. They're on sale. They are nice. Show me number 2. Not that nice, eh? Like you have better already. Yeah. I'm really looking for a specific pair of jeans. Like a straight leg that I could wear heels with those. Why not your Nina's? Wider than that. But they're wider on you because you have smaller thighs. You know what I want? I want the ones that you have. Yeah. That's what I want. Then that exact shape. My Levi's, yeah. Right. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, there. How did you do that so fast? That was pretty close. Mine was like stuck to my mouth. Lost that one. Round 2. We're trying this again. Oh god, I don't know if I can do a full one. I think I'm gonna lose. My throat is also really phlegmy. Sorry, vlog. Okay, wait, your folded over part? Did you unfold it or then? No, it's in my mouth. The lips are already stuck to it. Ready? Mm-hmm. Go. Oh, it's so. What'd you do at work today? How gross do you feel? Ew. Like, do you swallow it? Oh yeah, I'm swallowing it for sure. Delicious. Bad lighting, wow. Hello all, happy Friday. It's actually the afternoon. This morning, I went and got forehead Botox. I have a video of everything I've done to my face if you were interested in that. I haven't gotten it in a while, so I just got a little top up. I'm gonna pick up Sasha now. I've honestly been having like a bad week. I said this on my story that like January is just really hard. It's like dark and cold and like, I don't know, it's just like, it's just like not a great month for me. I mean, it's my birthday next week, but I find it really difficult like mentally and emotionally. So I've just been very like emotional. I also, just to get really personal here, I started a new birth control. Like I was off birth control for 2 years and I'm back on it. I'm just having issues with my period. It's just like really fucking making me all fucked up, like all emotional. It's been tough to like vlog because I'm just like, could cry any second. I'm a big crier, fun fact. If you didn't know, I'm a big crier. easy crier. But I just like had a little moment and now I'm good and I'm doing things. I put on my story a bunch of like ways that I feel better and then I posted other people's ways that they feel better because like asked people. So if you want to, you know, get involved in that, my Instagram is Allegra Shop. But I just wanted to tell you that because I want everyone to be aware that everyone gets down, and especially me. Like I really do, and it can be hard, and everyone's human. It's pretty much what I'm trying to get across. And if you're feeling down, you're not the only one. But we're gonna do everything that we can to pull ourselves out. I might do a yoga class tonight or see some friends and just do some things that make me feel good. Okay, so in this vlog, I wanted to do my everyday makeup, and I thought that today was a good day because I actually do have some pimples, and I feel like this all looks way worse on camera than it does in person. I feel like doing makeup when you have pimples is a little more helpful because it kind of shows you how you cover them up. Like if you have perfect skin, I'm jealous. I think it's just like a better way to do it. So I thought today was a good day. Let's get started. I've been doing this everyday makeup for like almost 6 months now, and I love all the products. The last week has just been a little rough for me. I don't really know why, but I do actually. I went on birth control, and that is I'm on my 2nd month of birth control, and it's you know, an adjustment. Okay, so the first product that I've been loving is the L'Oreal True Match Gloomy Lotion in Medium Glow 903, and I use a lot of these products in my New Year's makeup, but I understand that not everyone watched that because it was obviously like not, it was more dramatic makeup. So I put this all over my face after my skincare as a base. It just like adds a bit of glow. It's a nice, I find, primer, especially in the winter. Wow, my skin looks not good, but it really doesn't look like that in person. In the winter, my skin's just like a little dull, so I love that. A lot of these products are actually drugstore, but a lot of them are pretty affordable and last a long time, so I think that's great. The foundation that I've been loving and using is the Nude Sticks Tinted Cover. I absolutely love this stuff. This is in 3.5, but I'm between a 3 and a 3.5. I just ran out of my 3. And I'll either put it on my hand, or I'll put it on my face, or I'll put it on the brush. Today I'm just gonna put it on my face. I am obsessed with this stuff. And then I'm using the Nude Sticks Blend and Buff brush as well, which I really, really love. So I just buff the product out. And then on my forehead, I like to kind of drag it because I don't need that much product on my forehead. I just like everything to look the same. My skin was really killing it for a while, and then I switched everything out. So I just do that as a base. And then for concealer, I'm still loving the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in medium 1 custard, and I use this under my eyes. And then I have been absolutely loving the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage. It says under eye concealer in light medium, but I've been using this as like a face concealer because that's the right color. These are not active breakouts, by the way. They're all just like little scars. And then I will put this under my eyes, and I just use a little bit. And then again, I'm using the same brush. I use this brush for a lot of different things. And then this one I'm gonna use my finger because it's pretty red and I want more product to like stay on it. I'm gonna blend out with my finger and then blend out with the brush. And what I like to do is use this other side and just go over the top of my lids. Just a light covering because otherwise my eyelids crease. I am okay with like acne or scarring kind of like showing through. I've been dealing with it for 10 years, so I'm a little like over it. I don't really care. Everyone's all human. So that's the kind of base I like, but you honestly can't really see that much, which I really like. For bronzer, I've been using the By Terry Brightening CC Serum in Sunny Flash. And I love this stuff. It's like liquidy. So I usually just put it on my brush, which is the e.l.f. angled blush brush. And I just put this where the sun would naturally hit my face. I'm saying it like that because I feel like that's a YouTube statement. And it just, see that like, it just gives the face a little dimension and warmth, but it doesn't look cakey, or also my body is like pretty dark compared to my face. It's just like, because it's like a CC serum, it doesn't really even look like makeup. Look like a different color, but I swear it all matches in person anyway. Okay, so that is pretty much the face. Some other products that I love for bronzing is I love the Nude Sticks Nudies in like a deep. I love that. And then also the Milk Makeup in Baked is great as well. But it's like this is good for today. Okay, so for blush, I love Nude Sticks Naughty and Spice. I think it's like just the best color ever, and then I mix it with NARS Multiple in South Beach, and I'm obsessed. I think it's the most beautiful combo in the whole world. And then I'm just gonna go back with this brush and blend this out. I have a blush brush that I use, but I actually just like the way that this brush blends out the blush. That was a lot of like brush and blush. I just like the way it looks. And then any excess I just add to my nose. We're almost there. This is how easy we're we're almost there. Now I would do my eyebrows. Fuck. First I just brush out my eyebrows. These are my natural eyebrows, I'm really sorry. And then I love recently I've been loving the Nude Sticks. I love Nude Sticks, obviously. I'm such a Nude Sticks girl. Eyebrow stylist pencil and gel, but I don't use the pencil, I just use the gel, and I just love, I wish that they sold the gel by itself. Fluff them up so they just stay put all day. And then I do like to powder parts of my face that are like problem areas, or I know makeup's gonna rub off, and I love the Chanel Ultra Flawless Compact Foundation. This is in 30 Beige, and this is actually a bit light, which I think is good because I think my foundation was a little bit too dark. So I just take a big fluffy brush. This is a Alright Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe brush or something. All over, well, not all over. Oh, just setting everything. And then that's literally it. A highlight that I love is this Maybelline Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlight in Molten Gold. I love this one, and it's drugstore, so I want to show you, but I'm not doing. I just got an email with the subject line, "Your penis." What the fuck? I don't know. That's weird. I don't like that. So I would set my face now. Again, just using a drugstore setting spray, Maybelline Lasting Fix. For mascara, I personally love the Glossier Lash Slick. I've just run out of it. It's done. I love this mascara so much. It's like the perfect daytime mascara, but honestly, there's not a lot left. And it's like the easiest mascara to wash off. The Nude 6 mascara is good too. It's definitely like a daytime mascara. It's not anything super. I love L'Oreal Telescopic. I don't know, there's so many mascaras I like. It just depends on like what I'm going for. But during the day, I'm usually just going for like subtle and then like some length. I definitely miss eyelash extensions. Let's try NARS Climax. All my mascaras are drying up. I need to do a purge, or it's just my eyelashes. This eyelash is just not cooperating today. And then lately, which is kind of not really like me, well, maybe it is. I've been using lip product and I've been really liking it. So I have been using Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk as lip liner. And then I either use Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick, or I use, there's like a Milk Makeup one, or I just use any sort of nude. But I really do feel like that has been like really completing my look. Because before I wasn't like a big lip person, but I don't know, I just feel like lipstick just like, I don't know, makes your look just like look more complete. Like it looks like you're wearing makeup. Whereas I feel like before I was more focused on like skin. Oh, I really need to do my eyebrows, ew. And then that is actually the finished look. This is my everyday makeup. This is what I am wearing most of the time in my videos or on vlogs. I love all of those products so much. I've been using them for so long. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite daytime makeup product is, and I will see you in the next vlog. Remember to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I will be doing a giveaway. I do giveaways. I've been doing giveaways in the month of January, so I'm doing a big Sephora giveaway with a bunch of these products. So follow me on Instagram. It's Adelaide Rashad, and I will see you in the next one. Love you all. Peace and love. Bye.